Hello there, my name is Ashri and welcome back to Gadget 360. In today's video, we are going to take a look at 7 most exciting WhatsApp features that might make their way to your phone in the coming months. Now, over the past few weeks, we have seen WhatsApp launching a ton of new features like emoji reactions for messages, the ability to transfer chats from iOS to Android and vice versa, muting specific participants on voice calls, and much more. But that's not all. WhatsApp is working on a handful of new features that might launch very soon. But just remember that these features are currently under development and are not yet officially announced by WhatsApp. So let's take a quick look. Number 1, WhatsApp is working on the ability to view past participants in groups. Now, as of today, you can only view the current members of any group. But soon, you might be able to discover the list of people who exited the group or were removed in the last 60 days. This list will be visible to everyone in the group, which means it won't be limited to group admins. Next up is status reactions. Now, we have seen this feature on both Instagram and Facebook, and you might soon be able to react to WhatsApp statuses. You will be able to choose from any of the available emojis and your reaction will be sent as a message. Another useful feature that has been spotted in development is an official chat from WhatsApp, where the company could announce new features coming to the app, share tips and tricks, and provide information about app features. Further, WhatsApp may launch a new unread chat filter button, which could allow you to see a list of unread chats, making it easy for you to read and reply to all your unread conversations. Next up is avatars. Now, we have seen this feature on Instagram and Facebook. We can use and create our own personalized 3D cartoon image and use it in chats and statuses. Now, you may soon be able to use these avatars on WhatsApp. You might be able to use an avatar as a mask while placing a video call and as a sticker. Another notable feature that WhatsApp is currently working on is admin delete, which will allow admins to delete any message in the group. If this feature is released, then admins will finally have more control over their groups. They can choose to delete any message sent by members. And lastly, WhatsApp is also expected to launch a new companion mode feature. Now, this feature has been demanded for years now. Currently, you can only use a WhatsApp account on one phone and PC, but with the companion mode which is currently being developed, you may be able to access your WhatsApp account on multiple devices, including your tablets, phones, and PCs. And you won't have to log out of one phone to use your WhatsApp on another phone. And you may also be able to link a secondary mobile device to your existing WhatsApp account. Pretty interesting features, right? Now, most of these features are currently under development, which means they may eventually make their way to the stable and beta version of WhatsApp. However, WhatsApp may also plan to scrap some of these features. So let me know in the comment section below which feature are you most excited to try out. And if you like this video, do give us a big thumbs up, and like always, keep following Gadget 360 for more such awesome content.